The Bible says in Hebrews 10:36, you need to persevere so that when you have done the will of God, you will receive what He has promised. Waiting is hard. Holding on when nothing seems to change can feel impossible. But God didn't call you to give up. He called you to persevere. The enemy wants you to believe that your waiting is wasted, that your prayers are unheard, that your obedience is pointless. But God's promises don't have expiration dates. His timing is perfect, and His plan is unfolding even when you can't see it. Every trial, every setback, every delay, it's all preparing you for what's ahead. Strength is built in the waiting. Faith is refined in the struggle. And when you endure, when you press on in faith, you will receive what He has promised. So don't quit now. Keep trusting, keep walking, keep believing. The promise is still ahead, and God is still in control. If this message spoke to you, type "I will persevere" and share it with someone who needs this reminder today.
Engaging zombies. Enemy eliminated. Enemy down. Changing mag. Engaging the enemy. Reloading. The safe zone is collapsing.
Te voy a ir a buscar.
The airdrop is coming.
Watch out. K9 unit incoming.
Enemy down. Enemy eliminated. Reloading.
Watch out. K9 unit incoming. Airdrop has been delivered.
Engaging the enemy. Enemy down.